Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnest money refunds using Escrow.com. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start the process of withdrawing earnest money refunds using Escrow.com, visit the Escrow.com website. Log into your Escrow.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab located in the menu. Locate the specific transaction related to the earnest money you wish to withdraw. Click on the transaction to view its details. In the transaction details, check the status to ensure it is marked as completed. If the transaction is complete, look for the option to. You will be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Choose your withdrawal method from the available options, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the required information based on your selected withdrawal method. This may include your bank account details or your PayPal email address. Review the withdrawal request for accuracy before submitting. Once you verify all information is correct, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for updates on the status of your withdrawal. Typically, the processing time may vary depending on the withdrawal method chosen. After the withdrawal is processed, you will receive your funds according to the selected method. For any issues or inquiries during this process, contact Escrow.com customer support. They are available to assist you with any questions you may have. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your earnest money refunds through Escrow.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.